So today I thought about trying out this viral healthy banana ice cream recipe because I want to know whether it tastes like real ice cream or not. It's too good to be true if it tastes like real ice cream because it's healthy and really easy at the same time. So basically you need one ripened banana, cut it into small pieces, put the pieces on a plate or put them in a plastic bag and put that in the freezer. And next day, when the banana pieces are frozen really well, put them in a blender and blend really well. And you might need a little bit of milk and blend again until you get smooth and creamy consistency. And to be honest with you, at this point it looks really creamy and smooth. It looks like ice cream, but it did not taste like ice cream for me. So I put it back to the freezer and I left it overnight. And to be honest with you, I'm not satisfied with the result because for me it didn't taste like ice cream and it took me 2 days to make. And yeah, I think it's not worth it. It just tastes like smushed frozen banana. That's my thought. Anyways, I hope you really enjoyed this short video and I shall speak to you all in my next one. Bye bye.